To view the front panel of a SubVI, the shortcut is to double click it. Once you double click it, the SubVI's front panel opens. To view the block diagram of a SubVI, hold Ctrl and double click on the SubVI. The block diagram opens. To place a VI as a SubVI on the block diagram of another VI, just drag the SubVI either from the Project Explorer or Windows Explorer onto the block diagram of the main VI. Drag and drop. If you have a SubVI, the controls of which have been set with the default values, make current values default, then those controls that have been connected with this terminal is required. Value, when such a VI's icon is dragged by first pressing Shift, then left click, and then you drag that VI's icon onto the block diagram of another VI and release there, then those controls whose values were set with non-default values and whose connector pin items were set as required are placed as constants on the main VI block diagram. If you hold Ctrl and right click on the block diagram, the functions palette appears. Then you proceed to a VI that has a block diagram and front panel, and you left click on it. Then the VI's front panel opens.